Hello, your somatosensory luminous prop of the Sword Demon is completed. Let's take a look together. Let's start with the appearance of your prop when it's not glowing. First of all, this model has a very high degree of restoration, and the level of detail is also very excellent. My pants are quite dark, so don't let them block it. Then on the basis of this model, we also did a shadow treatment for the coloring, making it look more three-dimensional, and it is very vivid under the effect of lighting. To be honed street, it already looks quite good when the light is not on, right? Now let's take a look at its lighting effect. Long, press to turn it on. After turning on, the heartbeat will light up. Press it again and you can use it normally. There is a sound effect when swinging, and it's quite refreshing to have a sound effect accompanying it. So the second thing to talk about for this prop is the lighting. The original heartbeat effect of ours was not like this. Then it did some research and found that its heartbeat is an alternate pulse. That is, a jumping method of alternating strong and weak. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Then for this effect, we reworked the lighting effect, and now we have made it. The second thing worth mentioning is its weight. In fact, the prop itself is not heavy, but because of its exaggerated front part and the position where we hold it, that is the handle, holding it at the back position, will have a lever force. Trust me, if it were the plastic props of this size and shape a long time ago, it would be very difficult to hold with both hands. In fact, we have done a lot of weight reduction on the front part. In fact, it can be picked up with one hand, but it needs to be supported here on the arm. This is really unavoidable. We can't reduce the weight anymore, otherwise the strength of the front part will be insufficient. So we actually put a lot of thought into this part. The current effect is that you won't be unable to pick it up with one hand, and you won't feel tired when holding it with both hands. That's the effect. We put a lot of thought into this. In fact, when we make props now, besides the effect of the prop itself, we pay extra attention to its practicality, because the prop is still needed to be used after it's made, right? Besides looking good, it still needs to be used. We have put a lot of thought into this and it's done.